So what's up? How's everybody doing today? How's my pink love? So yes, from the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. So I hope you enjoyed this video. But yes, I hope you get inspired to upcycle some of your old things that you really love, as I'm about to do in this video. So I got these cute little booty heels from Cato's a couple years ago, and as you can see, they rubbed against a black pair of boots that I had when I was moving, and it will not come off. I've tried everything to get that black stuff off, and I love the shoes so much. I just wasn't ready to separate with them. So I got this cute lace from Walmart. It was on clearance. Cool that it's very close to the color of my shoes. And so I thought that I could do something snazzy and get my little designer shoe on. So you'll need some E6000 glue and some scissors if you decide to do something like this. And got me some clothespins to help hold the lace while it dries. You may also need your hot glue gun depending on how you decide to design your shoe. I end up using my hot glue gun towards the end. You're going to need some plastic bags. These are just some warmer bags. And most of us got some bags laying around. So just stuff that in the shoe. You need something like plastic so when the glue, because these particular shoes have little, holes in them. Not holes, but you know what I'm saying about the design of them, that the glue will, seep through. So you want something that will not stick to the glue, if you know what I mean. So I just started off with taking the E6000 glue around the perimeter of the shoe, and then I will lay the lace on top of that, and then I will use the clothespin to hold it down in place as it dries. Make sure you pull the lace, if you're working with lace or whatever material, snug so it can be as smooth and seamless as possible. After you get everything in place like you want it, secure it with the clothespins and let it dry for a couple of hours. I let mine dry for about 3 to 4 hours. It's probably best to let it dry overnight, but I have no patience when it comes to stuff like this. I was just so excited to make these shoes. Now it's time to trim off all that extra lace now that everything is dry. As you can see here, there's a piece of mine that didn't dry because I didn't wait long enough. So I just kind of leave that piece there, and then I'm going to glue it down and let it finish drying as I should. So now I got an extra piece of material and I'm just making it in like a fan motion, or you could just gather it in the middle. I probably made it a little bit more difficult than I need to be. But anyway, then I took another piece of material to tie it together, kind of make like somewhat of a tassel slash bow of something. But I did that because, as you remember, that black stuff was all over the shoe. It's on the buckle and everything. And so I'm making this to glue down on the buckle to hide the black stuff that's on the buckle. Um, Although this is not the shoe that had the black stuff over it, because I did that shoe first, and or I did that shoe last or something. I don't know. I'm not even sure why, or I didn't record me doing that shoe, I guess. So I put E6000 down on top of the buckle of the shoe, as you can see right here, and then I took my hot glue and put it on the material. The hot glue will just help hold the bow, tassel, whatever, in place while the E6000 dries. Ta-da! Aren't they just adorable? Excuse the wood chips back there that the kids track in from outside. But anyways, back to these gorgeous shoes. I think they're super, super cute. Ew, I got on my shoes. Yes. Coyote. I don't know. They're cute to me. I think I did a great job. Get out of my way with chips. Yeah. Fabulous. I mean, they were about to go to the trash or to the donate center. Let me paint my toenails. But I think they're super cute. Alright, so did you guys like the video? I hope so. I really enjoyed and had so much fun making it. It was really inexpensive. I think I spent a total of like maybe $4 or $5 because the lace was $1. I got the E6000 glue from Walmart for like $2.97. So let's say $3, $4, and let's just say about $5 with tax and everything. Shoes were, you know, something that I was about to donate or just give away. So I hope this video inspired you, like I said before, to get in your closet and to make something new out of something old. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely do some more. I have an idea for another pair of shoes, so let me know if you guys want to see it and I'll get on to it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. That's Instagram, Facebook. You know, I have it all listed in the description box below. Okay, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, so you'll get notified whenever I upload. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. And until next time, stay beautiful and stay unique.